Most small business owners do not realize that their business credit profile may be the key to unlocking the funding they need to grow. That is why I recommend NAV, a financial health platform designed to help you monitor and build your business credit while also giving you a clearer picture of your overall financial standing. One of the main reasons I suggest NAV is its tradeline reporting feature. When you subscribe to a NAV Prime Build or Expand plan, your monthly membership payment is reported as a business trade line to major bureaus like Dun& Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. That consistent reporting helps establish positive payment history, which is one of the core factors in building a strong business credit profile. On average, NAV Prime members see a 26-point increase across business credit bureaus after just 3 months. NAV also gives you a level of visibility that many business owners simply do not have. You can track 5 business and personal credit scores side by side, including detailed reports from Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. That matters because it shows you what lenders are actually seeing when they look at your profile. In many cases, business owners discover hidden errors or issues on their reports that may have been blocking them from getting approved for funding. Another reason this tool stands out is cost. If you tried to purchase these reports individually from each bureau, it could cost around 4 times more than a single NAV membership. NAV offers different plans depending on where you are in your journey. The track plan is best if you want to monitor your standing and see what lenders see. The build plan is the one I recommend most because it includes business trade line reporting, which helps you actively build your business credit. If you keep it for at least 2 months, that is about a $100 investment toward building your credit foundation. You can sign up for free right now on the NAV platform or through the app to check your general credit standing. Once you are in, you can choose the membership level that best fits your goals. If you decide to pay quarterly, you can also save on your membership. Do not wait until you are denied a loan to start paying attention to your credit. Start building your foundation now so you can position yourself for stronger business funding opportunities. If you are ready to get started, sign up through my website, thesfieldsgroup.com, or use the link in the comments. Beyond business credit, I also help entrepreneurs with branding, website design, and building a stronger business presence, so you can explore those services on my website as well. And if you want more content on business credit, funding, and Net 30 accounts I have personally used, make sure you subscribe.